Okay, so the search is done. We found the owl, and now there's a good chance he's fine. I'm going to let them put their dog away, and then we're just going to check him out. I just want to make sure that he doesn't have trick, which is going around, and I want to make sure he's fat and hydrated.
It's in the shed?
Yeah. Go ahead and put...
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, come on, Lucky. Lucky!
Come on.
Come here. There you go. All right, so hi, little one. What are you doing? There you go. I'm just gonna check you out, make sure you're okay.
Here.
Yep, I'm gonna grab him.
Where's he at?
Right behind your shop vac.
Oh, behind the shop bag? Okay.
Yeah, and to be honest, if he is fine, it's better if he stays.
He barks, and that's why I don't want to skip it.
Yeah, no, I mean, if the owl is fine,
Yeah.
it's better if he stays with his parent.
Yeah.
But, I mean, they're just so hot right now, you know? Hi, look at you. Are you gonna be okay. Look at you.
Judy, you need to get a picture of this.
So I checked the mouth to see if it has any lesions, because the trick gives them lesions. And I smell your mouth. It smells good.
You need to get a picture of this. Yeah.
Do you have a flashlight?
Flashlight?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll have to go.
Just a little one.
Let's see. Right there.
Okay. Let's see. Come on.
Oh, he's a cutie.
Yeah, isn't he?
He's a cutie.
I'm just gonna have you shine it.
Yeah.
Whoops.
Don't let him bite you.
Yeah, bite me right where it counts, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so his mouth looks clear. He doesn't look like he has any growths from the trick. His eyes look clear.
Yeah.
You know? Let's see. Wings.
Oh, he's adorable.
Yeah.
How do you get video on?
What's that one?
So what's your suggestion?
Well, I don't see... Everything so far looks clear. I don't see any bruising. I don't see the parasite. I don't see, you know, if there was a break, there would be bruising or swelling. Yeah. And all of that looks pretty clear. And then I'll check his feet. And he looks pretty well hydrated. Let's check his feet. He's got one little cactus. Ooh, that's great.
Yeah.
Thank you. Let me see your feet. How's your feet? You want me to get that cactus out of your foot?
I said I would appreciate that.
I said that would be nice. Yep. I mean, I would recommend if we could just let him hang out here.
Okay, that's fine.
The temperature's supposed to go down this weekend.
Yeah.
He doesn't look dehydrated. He doesn't look broken. He doesn't have a parasite. Everything looks clear on him.
I don't want to take him away from his mother.
No.
No.
He'll learn way faster. We do the best we can at the rehab for him when I drop him off,
Yeah.
but they still learn more when they're with their parents.
Yeah.
So if we don't have to take him, he's just going to hide in the shade today, and maybe tomorrow, and then, you know.
Well, I need to know where he's going to be so I can keep my dogs blocked off.
Yeah. He's probably just going to hang out in this shed all day.
Okay.
But then come tomorrow, he might move to a neighbor's yard. He might still be in the shed. He might find a tree. But then the temperature's supposed to go down too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be 109 today and 106 tomorrow for Casa Grande.
Yeah.
So, and then it's going to go down into the 90s.
Yeah. So that's really when I'd be worried about him most. And then if you want to give him a little pan of water like a swimming pool, Or if he's in the yard and you put your sprinklers
Yeah.
on, he'll dance around in there.
Really?
They love it.
Oh, wow.
They love. If you put your sprinkler on at the same time every day, the birds will start to know, and they can have the little space to take a bath. But you got grass, you got
Yeah.
shade, you got things for him to hide in, and
He's talking to you.
yeah. He's like, let me go. My mom is here, and I'm completely fine, lady. Crazy humans always
So I
trying
don't
to
know
take me away.
Put him back underneath there, or
Yep, we'll just put him right back underneath
bone
there.
top there, or whatever. You know,
Yeah.
it'd be kind of warm up there.
It might. I don't know. You think so? You got it pretty well
Yes,
insulated.
it's shaded.
It's shaded.
Yeah.
What do you think? You want to leave him down here or up there?
I don't care.
Yeah.
I just don't want him to get hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Same here.
I just have to watch the dogs because they got to come out and go to the bathroom and all that stuff, and I don't want them in the.
Well, up off the ground would be nice. So why don't we do this? Why don't we take him, so he's up off the ground, a little safer from your dogs.
Yeah.
We'll put him up on that ledge, and then we could take this towel and just staple it up there,
Yeah.
and it gives him a little extra hiding spot,
Oh, okay.
and his mom will get to him. It's a little extra barrier for your dogs when they go out to use the potty.
Yeah.
Sound good?
Well, I ain't worried about the dogs.
Because in the heat, they go out, go to the
They'll-
bathroom and come right back in the house again.
Lucky
They-
will catch birds and not. He'll play with them
Yeah.
until they're dead.
Yeah, yeah,
He
yeah.
doesn't.
And I
He
don't
hasn't
want
done
that.
that in a long time.
So you're gonna go up there? Well, I don't want him to run from the sides either. So right now we'll
We can
Down
put him
there
back
fine.
down there.
Yeah, put that.
We'll
Ready?
get this block across and then they will be able
There you go. Here you go. You ready? You can go back over there. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. You stay. You're fine. We'll leave you alone.
Yeah.
Promise. Give me my towel back. Please.
No, I want it.
No. Okay. So, there you go.
Okay.
Is that what?
That's where he was.
So we
So-
put a chair in front of it or something?
Yeah, anything that's going to make him feel a little comfortable and give him more of a barrier. Just
Okay.
know, maybe for just a couple days, a little leash walk.
Get behind there.
Yeah. Now we'll give him a good setup.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, well,
Well, let's say thanks everyone.
yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks. Remember, not all of them have to be taken in, but call a rehab center so they can get checked out. And then hopefully the homeowners like these guys will provide them a safe space for just a few days. All right. Thank you.